Imagine standing at the edge of your life, looking back at everything you've done, the laughter, the struggles, the victories, the regrets, and then ask yourself, have I truly lived? Have I made a difference? Will anyone cry when I'm gone? These are the profound questions Robin Sharma challenges us with in Who Will Cry When You Die, a book filled with life-changing lessons on how to live with purpose, passion, and peace. In this powerful journey, we will explore the timeless wisdom that will help you design a life so rich, so meaningful, that your existence will leave a legacy. So, sit back, relax, and let these words ignite a transformation within you. Chapter 1. The Illusion of Time. We all think we have time. Time to chase dreams. Time to fix relationships. Time to live the life we want. But reality whispers otherwise. Time is slipping away. The biggest mistake most people make is assuming they have someday. Someday I'll be happy. Someday I'll take care of my health. Someday I'll follow my passion. But guess what? Someday never comes. Robin Sharma reminds us, live today as if it were your last. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take action now. Love deeply, forgive freely, and start building the life you want today. Chapter 2. The Power of Kindness. If you died today, how would people remember you? Would they say you were kind, compassionate, and inspiring? Or would they struggle to find words that define you? One of the most powerful lessons in this book is simple: be kind. Not because you have to, but because it's the right thing to do. Help a stranger. Smile at someone who looks down. Listen to a friend in need. These little acts create ripples of goodness that outlive us. The people who leave the greatest legacy aren't necessarily the richest or the most famous. They are the ones who touched lives, who made people feel seen and valued. Start today. Be someone who lifts others up. Chapter 3. The Habit of Waking Up Early. Want to change your life? Start by changing your mornings. Robin Sharma teaches us that the way we begin our day determines how we live our lives. Waking up early gives you a head start. It allows you to reflect, meditate, exercise, and work on your goals before the world wakes up. Successful people, CEOs, athletes, visionaries, all have a common habit. They start their day before the sun rises. Why? Because the quiet hours of the morning are sacred. They provide clarity and direction. If you win your mornings, you win your life. Chapter 4. Letting go of the past. Holding on to past mistakes, regrets, and grudges is like carrying a heavy backpack up a mountain. It weighs you down. Life is too short to carry the burden of the past. Sharma reminds us to forgive, not because the other person deserves it, but because we deserve peace. Think about it. What if today was your last day? Would you still hold on to anger? Or would you finally let go and breathe freely? Release the past. Free yourself. Only then can you truly live. Chapter 5. The Power of Gratitude. If you have a roof over your head, food on your plate, and people who love you, you are already wealthier than millions. Yet most of us focus on what we don't have. We chase things, believing they will make us happy. But happiness isn't in possessions. It's in appreciation. Take a moment right now. Think of 3 things you are grateful for. Let that gratitude fill your heart. Gratitude changes everything. It turns what we have into enough, and enough into abundance. Chapter 6. Leaving a legacy at the end of life. People won't remember how much money you made. They won't remember the cars you drove or the clothes you wore. They will remember how you made them feel. So, make them feel loved, make them feel inspired, make them feel valued. Build something that lasts beyond you. Teach, help, create, serve. The goal is not just to live. The goal is to live so well that the world feels your absence when you're gone. Final message. If you take one thing away from this book, let it be this: life is fleeting. Make it count. Start today. Make peace with the past. Wake up early. Be kind. Show gratitude. Chase your dreams. Love deeply. And when your time comes, let there be no regrets, only the echoes of a life well lived. If this message resonated with you, take action. Implement these lessons. Share them with someone who needs them. And remember, live not just for yourself, but for the legacy you leave behind. Who will cry when you die? The answer lies in how you choose to live today. Thank you for listening. If this inspired you, don't forget to subscribe to Audio Pulse for more life-changing insights. Until next time, keep striving for a life worth remembering.